You know that annual January ritual where you inhale 12 months worth of receipts and somehow birth a tax return? Yeah. HMRC wants to break up with it. From April 2026, if you're a UK freelancer earning over £50,000, the once-a-year tax scramble becomes a year-round digital relationship. Enter Making Tax Digital for Income Tax Self-Assessment, or MTD for ITSA. Because if the name doesn't sound thrilling, the admin definitely will be. But before you panic Google, "Can I opt out of taxes?" let's break it down. Turns out it's less scary than it sounds, and with the right tools it might even be, dare we say, easier? Not to mention a smarter way to run your finances. So, what's actually happening? MTD for ITSA isn't just go digital, it's a full-on upgrade to how you track and report your income. Here's what's changing. You will need to keep digital records of all your self-employed and property income. Submit quarterly updates to HMRC, yep, that means 4 per year, and then you file a final declaration at the end of the tax year. So instead of cramming one big tax return into a caffeine-fueled weekend, you'll have 5 smaller, more manageable steps throughout the year. Think of it like meal prepping for your taxes, less mess and better portion control. Who's affected and when? Here's the rollout. 50K plus gross income. You go live in April 2026. 30K to 50K. You're up next in 2027. Below 30K? You're on HMRC's to-do list, exact date pending. And heads up, it's total gross income from freelancing and things like property letting. So if you've got a side hustle or rent out a spare room, it all adds up. And that's gross income, so before expenses. So what will you actually have to do? Firstly, go digital or go home. Paper is officially prehistoric. Use MTD-friendly software. Think Joy Pilot if you like seamless. And for our no worries clients, you get to use this software for free. Next on the list, submit quarterly updates. 4 times a year, no excuses. Then your closing scene for the year is your final declaration. Like a tax finale with fewer explosions. But as always with HMRC, watch the penalties. Missed deadlines collect points. 4 strikes? That's £200. Yes, there's more admin, but it's spread out through the year, not crammed into a single sleep-deprived weekend. And if you've got the right software, invoicing, expense tracking, and submissions can quietly tick away in the background. That's exactly what Joy Pilot, the software we use at No Worries Accounting, was built for, to make tax time, well, actually kind of a joy. Plus, staying on top of your numbers all year round means better visibility, smarter decisions, and maybe, just maybe, an end to that classic ambushed by tax season feeling. HMRC is turning tax digital, and sure, it might sound like more work, but with the right tools, it's actually less mess, fewer surprises, and no more all-nighters in January. With our software Joy Pilot doing the heavy lifting in the background, tax time becomes way more manageable, maybe even predictable. So why wait? Get hold of us at No Worries and get yourself set up with software that's built for freelancers, backed by real support and ready for everything MTD throws your way. Sort it now, and April 2026 will feel like just another Monday.